What's up, Road to Riches family? Today, I made one of my biggest trades of the year, and this was all done under 30 minutes. So stay tuned to see how I made good money day trading this morning, and we're going to do some technical analysis on the two big runs from today. If you're new to the channel, we talk about how to make money in the stock market, day trading, stock updates, and more. So make sure to subscribe if you like making money in the stock market, and smash that like button if you learned something new today. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so we can all get on the road to riches. Now, today, the stock that I made money on was NAOV. Remember to look for some type of catalyst or news before your trade. So according to the news for NAOV, they cited positive results from independent testing of UroShield, which actually prevents bacteria and infections from happening with catheters that can cause UTIs. Also, it reduces pain and discomforts associated with catheters. Now, before we do some technical analysis and look at the chart, keep in mind that the market cap is only about 2 million and the float is only 1.65 million. The stock was up about 50% already in the pre-market and had 4 million in value. So now let's look at the chart. Now, according to this 1 year chart, this stock had a resistance volume of about 2 million, but also the chart history is good. When we get big volume coming in, you can see the stock actually tends to run. So this is another good indicator. And we already beat that 2 million resistance volume in the pre-market when we had 4 million, which is also another good indicator. And I get my support and resistance from the pre-market. So you can see we are under VWAP out the market open. So I was patient and the stock actually fell near support. But we started to get a run actually back up, which is a good indicator that some shorts could be trapped. So I waited until we got over VWAP because these stocks tend to hit under VWAP and then fall all the way back down to lows if it's weak. So I got in around that $2.20 area this morning, about 10 minutes into the market open. Then you can see in less than 10 minutes, the stock actually started to jump to new highs. So I sold mainly into strength around the 280s, 270s, and then a little bit of shares over that $3 area. And I also sold because if you look at the volume and the RSI, we are over both. So this is an indicator for me to sell as soon as possible when we get high volume or when we get over that RSI. So many times when we are over RSI or we get big volume, these stocks tend to fall, which it actually did here. So again, I got in during that VWAP recovery and the stock jumped all the way to $3.35. Now after that, the stock had a good hold over the VWAP and the VMA line, but you have to be patient here. Okay, then you can see around 10:20 we actually get that big run up again, and then around 10:30 we get a new high of the day. And this is another example of resistance becoming support during breakouts, but this support actually didn't hold up too good when it got tested. But this stock had a low of 2.66 after that big run in the morning that I was in. But if you brought that low or that VWAP bounce, you could have made over $1 a share. So it went from $2.66 all the way to $3.75, which is over $1 a share. Now I'm gonna break this down for you to make it more clear. If you brought 100 shares, you could have made over $100. So obviously you won't always get that, just like I got in at $2.20, but I sold into strength just in case the stock doesn't go on this big run. Now, when this video comes out, NAOV could be higher or lower, but it has some good morning momentum and it was up over 150% as I'm making this video. Now, the next stock is ICCT, which has been on a crazy run from $2 to $9. Now, again, if you do the math and to make this more clear, if you brought 100 shares at $2, you could have had over $700 in profits if you sold your 100 shares at $9. So this stock is running from a merger deal with a firm called FGMC, but the stock today is up over 30% after already being up yesterday, and it actually had a halt out the market open. Now, after this halt, the stock actually did fall all the way to the close from yesterday, which was at $5.75. Now, after it hit that close from yesterday, it had a little run all the way up past the pre-market resistance of $9. So this is one to keep on your watch list and do your due diligence on. And let's see if ICCT could keep on running. Now, I hope y'all made money today from trading or investing. I know if you've been investing, this last week has been good for you. So let me know what y'all looking at in the comments. What are y'all investing in? What do y'all day trade? And before you leave, remember to check out my clothing website where you can get all your Road to Riches gear and more. Link in the bio. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for that YouTube algorithm, and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any uploads either. And I'll see y'all in the next video.